Hello guys, today I want to show you how to create a Kuda bank account. So first head over to Google and type in Kuda Bank. Now click on the first link here, the official website of Kuda Bank, and now click on Join Kuda. So you will be directed to sign up with your account. Click on Sign In. Now just here add your email address and password and type in on Open an Account. Just click on Continue. Add your email address, password, and example. Let's add now email address here. Let's add a password. On Next now type in the verification code is just as if it's on your email address. Let's add the verification code here. So let's copy-paste the code to our forum. Click on Next. So there is a name and you should be good to go here. You successfully created your Kuda bank account here, so go next. And your profile is successfully created. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment.